My ad on Google Ads, what went wrong? Okay, let me see. Okay, so I created two campaigns for a product. Ad campaign A uses broader keywords like trailer, truck. Currently, its conversion performance is acceptable. Ad campaign B uses more precise keywords, the product name, flatbed trailer. Strangely, its impressions are very low. It barely spends any money, and the occasional clicks costs are extremely high, far exceeding the price range in the keyword planner. Additionally, I had previously run ad campaign B and its impression and clicks were normal at that time. Both A both campaign A and B promote the same product so with different keywords. Since the broader keyword series A is generating decent conversions, I believe B should as well. Please share your thoughts. Okay, so you created two campaigns. For a product ad campaign A uses broader keywords. Currently, its conversion performance is acceptable, and for that campaign B uses more precise keywords, the product name. Strangely, its impressions are very low. It barely spends any money, and the occasional click cost extremely high, far exceeding the price range in the keyword banner. Okay, so I got it. Okay, so the campaign A is generating decent conversion, the campaign B is not generating. So why it's happening? Okay, there can be few reasons. So let me discuss with you. Okay, just a second. Just a second. Okay, it's more into Zoom now, so let me make it normal. Okay, in my opinion, there can be few things which is why it's happening. First of all, look for your CTR. Okay, for compare campaign A and B CTR. My opinion is campaign B has very low CTR, which is actually reducing your quality score. So what happens when your quality score goes down, your CPC cost goes up. Now why it happens, I have a detailed algorithm video on my YouTube channel regarding why it happens. But the basic theory is when your CTR is low, your quality score is going to go down, so your CPC cost is going to go up. So the cost is high is because it has a very low CTR. Now low CTR is the biggest reason is poor campaign structure, poor ad copy, and irrelevant or a generic landing page being used for all. So these are the things which is why your quality score goes down. So I assume you need to relook, optimize your ad copy, optimize your campaign structure, go with theme structure or single keyword ad group structure, where you have to reduce your number of keywords per ad group and create more ad variations, and they should be highly relevant to the keyword query you are targeting, along with your landing page. Not just your landing page, but also the keyword query you are targeting, so that you can meet or fulfill the user expectation which they have when they search for your query. So this relation can help you in optimizing your campaign B. Also, you said that you uses broader keywords and you uses here precise keywords. So with the broader keywords or with the precise keywords, another could be, I assume you are using broad match with A and B. So a lack of negative keywords could be an issue. So if that is a thing, go to your search terms to see if you are getting irrelevant traffic. So look around, because with broader match keywords you need to look around and you may be getting a lot of irrelevant traffic, so you need to figure out and sort this. So I hope this answers your question and query. And if anyone is a professional Google Ads management service, you can hire a Google partner company like us through the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye bye.